Hello everyone. So as assured to you people that will be coming up with live sessions on higher financial accounting subject of second year Bcom. Today we are going to start with the first live session. Now in the previous video I have already guided you that out of the 4 units 1, 2, 3, 4, unit 3 is one such unit where there is only single chapter debentures and it's compulsory. So we will be taking up with live sessions on debentures so that if you attend these live sessions, 15 marks plus 2.5 marks of question 1, 17.5 marks are completely in your pocket. Okay, I can assure you that if you watch these videos of debentures, which will be 3 to 4 live sessions only, you will be able to score entire 17.5 marks. So without wasting much time, let us start with the first session, live session on debentures. Okay, unit 3 of HFA subject, that is debentures. Now, since your exams are very near, we'll not be discussing much about what is debentures, how to go about it. We'll be straight away banking on the practical questions which can be asked in exams. So if you all have watched my previous video lecture, I've told you that sinking funds question is guaranteed in your exams for 15 marks. So that I will be covering in the further live sessions. And one more question is often asked in your exams, which is on issue of debentures at par, premium or discount, and along with that redemption combined at par or premium. This topic I am going to take in today's session along with its one of the practical questions which has been asked in recent most exam February 2023 for 10 marks. So basically if we understand that issue of shares, then issue of shares can take place in 3 different ways, but in your syllabus only 2 are covered. One is issue of debentures. Issue of debentures can be done for cash or it can be done for consideration other than cash. Both these topics can be expected in exams. Today I'll be taking up with issue of debentures for cash. And along with that, redemption of debentures. Along with that, redemption of debentures is possible. Okay, but redemption of debentures can be done at par or at premium. So if we go with the accounting part, then issue of debentures for cash. This is the first topic we will understand today, along with its journal entries. Over here, issue of debentures for cash. Okay, first we understand the entries of issue and then if they are going to be redeemed at par or premium after 5 or 7 years, what effect it will have on issue of debentures, that also we'll understand today. So issue of debentures can again be done in 3 different ways. One is at par, second is at premium, third is at discount. However, whether you issue the debentures at par or premium or discount, first entry of receiving the money of application is going to remain same. And mostly debentures face value is 100 and that entire 100 rupees is collected by the company in one go only with application only. Generally in case of debentures, they don't collect the money in installments. Means they don't have application allotment calls. Entire 100 rupees pay with application. So first entry is bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit, and temporarily we transfer the money to debenture application and allotment account. We open a combined account called as debenture application and allotment account. And second entry of transferring this money of debenture application and allotment depends on whether we are issuing at par or premium or discount. So if you are issuing the debentures at par, then the second entry will be this debenture application and allotment account we will have to reverse and debit to close it. So debenture application and allotment account debit. Okay, we will have to reverse and debit to close this account. Debenture application and allotment account debit. Now if they are issued at par, then straight away you transfer the money to debentures account. This entire entry is passed with face value only. Okay, second entry. Now, if the debentures are issued at premium, premium means more than face value. 100 rupees debentures, you collect 110. You collect 10 rupees extra. So here the entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit. So to close debenture application and allotment account, again debenture application and allotment account we will debit. Okay, same thing. This part will remain same. To close it will reverse and debit. But now because we are collecting at premium, so face value of 100 rupees you'll transfer to debentures account. Okay, face value of 100 rupees you'll transfer to debentures account. And premium of 10 rupees you'll transfer to security premium account. Because premium is our profit. Credit all incomes and gains. It's a capital profit. So premium amount will go to security premium account. And third is, if you are issuing the debentures at discount, then this discount is our loss. Again, this part will remain same. To close debenture application and allotment account, we will reverse and debit it. So debenture application and allotment account debit. This part will remain same. Now this discount is our loss. Debit all expenses and losses. So discount on debentures account we will debit with the amount of discount. So if you are issuing a 10% discount and against 100 you are collecting 90 rupees, then this first entry bank to debenture and application and allotment will be receiving 90 rupees, will pass that with 90 rupees. Now in this third entry, debenture application and allotment account, you'll debit with 90 rupees received. Discount on debentures, you'll debit with 10 rupees of discount, and entire 100 face value you'll credit to debentures account with face value. See, one thing you all can remember is that wherever you record debentures account in this chapter, whether you debit it or you credit it, okay, debentures account always with face value. Wherever debentures account is recorded, whether debit or credit, always with face value. So these are the entries to be passed for issue of debentures. Now, redemption of debentures will have impact on issue. So what impact it will have, we'll understand. Effect of redemption on issue means how you are going to redeem the debentures after 5 years, 7 years, that will have effect on entry of issue also. As we discussed, that debentures can be redeemed in two different ways. One is at par or at premium. Discount is not allowed. See, practically why discount is not allowed. You cannot tell debenture holders that you pay me 100 rupees today and after 5 years I'll pay you 90 rupees. No one will give you the money. So debentures cannot be redeemed at discount. But if you tell them you pay me 100 today, after 5 years I'll give you 100 rupees plus interest every year, they'll be ready. Premium means you tell them you pay me 100 rupees today, every year I'll pay you interest, and after 5 years I'll give you 110, they'll be more happy. So debentures can be redeemed at par or premium, but they cannot be redeemed at discount. Now if they are redeemed at par, then what effect it will have on issue? No effect. No effect means these entries, what we discussed just now, bank to debenture application and allotment, then debenture application and allotment account debit to debentures. If there is premium to security premium, if there is discount, then discount account debit. These entries will remain same. Okay, redemption will have no effect. However, if they are going to be redeemed at premium, now, what is this premium for the company? Okay, see, this premium is capital profit for the company because we are getting more money. We are issuing the debentures at premium. But this premium is on redemption. Here we have to repay more. So this premium is our loss, capital loss, as well as liability, because we have to pay this amount after 5 years, 6 years, 7 years on maturity date. So this premium is our loss as well as liability. Here one concept of accounting applies, which is prudence, conservatism. As per the prudence concept, you should provide for all future expected expenses, losses and liabilities. but you should not consider future incomes and gains. Now this is a future expected expense, loss and liability, so we should consider it and make a provision so that we are able to pay that money in future. So what entry we will pass for this is, as it is our loss, debit all expenses and losses, loss on issue of debentures account debit. And as it is our liability also, credit the payables. So you will credit to premium on redemption account. Okay, so loss account we debit because it's a loss, debit all expenses and losses. Premium on redemption we credit because it's our liability, credit the payables. Now this entry we have to combine with the second entry. This entry we have to combine with the second entry, means either of these entries we have to combine with that. So what will happen? Second entry, if debentures are issued at par but redeemed at premium, second entry will become debenture application and allotment account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit, to debentures account. If they are issued at par but redeemed at premium. Now if they are issued at premium and redeemed at premium, then debenture application and allotment account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit, to debentures account, to security premium account, to premium on redemption. Okay, at par, with this entry you combine this entire entry. Same way at premium and at discount also. So if they are issued at discount but redeemed at premium, then debenture application and allotment account debit, discount on debentures account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit, to debentures account, to premium on redemption. However, you don't have to remember so long entries. What we will be doing when we pass this combined entry is, first we will pass this entry. First we'll pass this particular entry, and in between we will leave one line in debit. Between debit and credit account we'll leave one line, and then we'll combine this entry. So separately you remember the concept. No need to remember the whole very long entry at a point of time. You'll be clear with this question which we are going to solve. One more thing. What additionally you need to remember is that discount, this discount on debentures I'm talking about, and this loss has to be written off. If you issue at par, then nothing to be done, premium nothing to be done. But if you are issuing at discount, then discount is our loss, it's to be written off. And if you are redeeming at premium, then loss on issue of debentures is also our loss to be written off. First priority, we have to write off from security premium account. If amount is insufficient, then P&L account. So what will be the entry to write this off? If we have sufficient balance in security premium, then security premium account debit. If it is insufficient or not at all there, then profit and loss account debit. And to discount on debentures account to write it off, as well as to loss on issue of debentures account to write it off. This extra entry we will have to pass if there is a discount or loss. First you recover the money from security premium. If amount is insufficient, then from P&L. Okay, let us understand all these concepts and entries with the help of one question which has been asked in exams itself. Recent most exams, February 2023, for 10 marks this question was asked. Okay, for 10 marks. So with the help of this question we understand it. You all can take a screenshot of this question. Okay, you all can take a screenshot of this question, and you all can open a pen and paper and you can sit with pen, so you all can also solve along with me when I'm solving this question. Starting with the solution of this question, so understand the things properly. How will it affect? AB Limited issued debentures on 1st April 2021. So all entries will pass on 1st April 2021. And on the same day, security premium account had a balance of 25,000. This will help us in this last entry, as I said to you. Security premium, there is 25,000. Remaining amount of discount and loss will take from P&L account, if at all there is discount and loss. pass journal entries at the time of issue of debentures. Only issues entries are to be passed, and all these entries are to be passed at the issue only. This is also redemption. Okay, you all can see this is redemption, but effect is on issue. So entry is passed at the time of issue only based on how you are going to redeem it. Now, first one, company issued 1000 debentures of 100 each at par, redeemable at par. Now, issued at par, redeemable at par. So how will we solve this? First option we are doing right now. Okay, how we will solve this, understand it. Now, first entry as we discussed is going to remain same. Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit, and temporarily we will transfer the money to debenture application and allotment account. Now, amount. If we all see over here, then 1000 debentures are issued at rupees 100 each and at par, means we are going to receive 100 rupees only. So amount will be 1000 into 100. What we will receive is 1 lakh. Okay, and then second entry, debenture. Okay, one more thing you all must remember here, debentures are going to be redeemed at par. And what did we discuss? If they are going to be redeemed at par, it will have no effect on issue. So it will have no effect on issue. So entry of issue will remain as it is. Okay. So here, debenture application and allotment account, we will debit to close it with full amount of 1 lakh. Okay, this amount. And we'll transfer the money to debentures account. Now here we have to write the rate of interest before debentures. You all can see in first question the rate is 12%. So 12% debentures is what we need to mention in our journal entry. To 12% debentures account, 1 lakh. So these are the two entries to be passed for the first question. Now second question we go ahead. Here there is no loss, no discount to be written off. Okay, now we go with the second option. Look at the second question. Company issued 20,000 10% debentures at par. Again, issued at par means we'll receive 100 rupees. However, redeemable at premium. Now redeemable at premium, so this effect will have to combine loss on issue to premium on redemption with the second entry. So as I told you, how you do is in second entry you leave one line in between debit and credit account. Okay, but that is in second entry. First entry is going to remain same. So let's first pass the first entry. Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Now here 20,000 debentures are issued and at par. So we'll be receiving 20,000 into 100. We have issued at par, so we'll receive 100 rupees. That is 20 lakhs. Okay, and second entry now. Now because we are going to redeem at premium, in second entry between debit and credit account, you leave one line. Debenture application and allotment account, we will reverse and debit to close it with full amount of 20 lakhs. Okay, this we will reverse and debit to close it with full amount of 20 lakhs. And then leave one line in between. Okay, you all leave one line in between. And then you credit to debentures account. Now here, what is the rate of interest in second option? 10%. You all can see here the rate is 10%. So we'll write to 10% debentures account. Because we issued at par with face value, full 20 lakhs will go to debentures account. Now here we'll combine. What will we combine over here? We'll combine this effect. Loss on issue of debentures to premium on redemption. So over here, in between where we have left the space, loss on issue of debentures account debit, and at the end after the debentures account to premium on redemption account. Now with what amount? See in the question, what is the premium at which we are going to redeem? 10% premium means 10 rupees. 100 rupees is the face value. So 10% premium will be 10 rupees. Means 20,000 debentures into 10 rupees of premium. What amount to pay on premium is 2 lakhs. That our loss as well as liability. So automatically you will get the combined entry. So now this loss also we have to write off. We discussed that loss is to be written off from security premium account. Now security premium account has a balance of 25,000 and the loss amount is how much? 2 lakhs. So out of 2 lakhs, 25,000 we will write off from security premium account and remaining amount we will write off from profit and loss account. So security premium account debit with 25,000 and remaining profit and loss account debit We have to write off 2 lakhs, so remaining 1,75,000, and then 2 loss on issue of debentures account with full amount of 2 lakhs. Okay, so this account will get closed. I hope everyone is clear with this. Now going to the question number 3. So this second question is completely done. Now going to question number 3. See all of you. Company issued 50,000 12% debentures at a premium of 5%. Now issued at premium. So in second entry, 2 debentures to security premium. And also redeemable at par. So it will have no effect. Redeemable at par will have no effect. Means the entries of issue will remain as it is. So let's pass the entries. First entry will be bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit. Okay, and 2 debenture application and allotment account. Temporarily we will transfer the money to debenture application and allotment account. How much amount? Amount will be 50,000 debentures are issued. You all can see here. Okay, 50,000 debentures are issued. And 100 is the face value plus 5% premium we have issued. So we'll receive 105. Okay, we will be receiving 105 rupees. So 50,000 into 105. Now 50,000 into 100 is 50 lakhs and 50,000 into 5, 2 lakh 50,000. So 52 lakh 50,000 is what we are going to receive. Okay. So bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account with 52 lakh 50,000. I hope everyone is clear with this. Now second entry, we have issued at premium, redeemable at par. Redeemable at par will have no effect. So no need to leave any line in between debit and credit. Straight away, debenture application and allotment account, we will reverse and debit to close it. So debenture application and allotment account debit with full amount of 52 lakh 50,000. Okay. And that amount will transfer to debentures and security premium. Face value will go to debentures account. So now you all can see in question number 3 it is 12% debentures. Okay, here you all can see the debentures are 12% debentures. Okay, so 12% is what we have to mention to 12% debentures account with face value. So 50,000 debentures into 100, that is 50 lakhs, and to security premium account with 50,000 into 5 rupees. 5% premium we have issued, 5 is premium, so 2,50,000. Okay, only these 2 entries, nothing is to be written off from security premium. There is no discount, there is no loss. So third question is done. Now going to fourth question. Okay, so this kind of question will be worth 10 marks in your exams. Very simple and scoring. Now if you refer to the fourth question, what is asked to you? Company issued 50,000 12% debentures at a premium of 10%. Again issued at premium. So these 2 entries what we passed will remain same. However, redeemable at also 20% premium. So now in the second entry, we will leave one line in between and combine loss on issue to premium on redemption. So same 50,000 debentures, but 10% premium they are issued and 20% they are redeemed. So first entry will be same. Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. And amount how much? 50,000 debentures, but they are issued at 10% premium. So now we'll receive 110 rupees. Okay, so 55 lakhs. 50,000 into 110, 55 lakhs. And second entry, debenture application and allotment account debit, we will reverse and debit to close it with full amount of 55 lakhs. Now, we are redeeming the debentures at premium. So in between you will leave one line and then you'll write to debentures account. Which debentures? Now you all can see the rate of interest is again 12% over here. So again to 12% debentures account, to 12% debentures account with face value. So 50,000 into 100, 50 lakhs. And to security premium account with 50,000 into 5. No, not 5, sorry, 10 rupees. Okay, now 10% premium. So 50,000 into 10, 5 lakhs. Now, debentures are going to be redeemed at premium. So in between, we'll combine the effect. Loss on issue of debentures account debit. And at the end, to premium on redemption account. And what is the amount at which they are going to be redeemed at premium? 20%. So 20 rupees is the premium which we have to pay when they get back the money on maturity. So amount will be 50,000 into 20, that is 10 lakhs. Loss amount and premium will be 10 lakhs. Now, here we do have loss. So we have to pass the entry to write off the loss also. Loss is 10 lakh rupees. Okay, loss is 10 lakh rupees. And security premium balance was 25,000 plus we raised premium of 5 lakhs. So we have 5 lakh 25,000 of security premium now available. 25,000 already there, plus we collected 5 lakhs more premium through debentures itself. So 5 lakh 25,000. Remaining 4 lakh 75,000 we will write off from profit and loss account. So security premium account debit with the total available balance of 5 lakh 25,000. Okay, I hope everyone is clear with this. 25,000 already given in the question plus 5 lakhs we collected. Then remaining will write off from profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debit with remaining balance 4 lakh 75,000. 10 lakhs minus 5 lakh 25,000. And then to loss on issue of debentures account with 10 lakhs. So loss will be completely written off with 10 lakhs. This account gets closed. Okay, so because there is a loss, 3 entries will be passed over here. Now, 4 questions are done. 5th option. Let's see what is given in the 5th option. 2 more remaining. Company issued 1,11% debentures at a discount of 5%. Now debentures are issued at discount. So in the second entry, we will have to debit discount on debentures account. And redeemable at par will have no effect. Because they are redeemable at par, it will have no effect. So 2 entries of issue will remain as it is, and in second entry, we don't have to leave any line in between because they are going to be redeemed at par. So first entry will be bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Now, how much is the discount we have offered on issue? 5%. Yes, here you all can see discount offered is 5%. So we will be receiving 95 rupees. And how many debentures are issued? 1 lakh. So we will receive 1 lakh into 95 and 11% is the debentures rate of interest. Okay. 1 lakh debentures into 95 after discount is what we are going to receive. So that will be 95 lakhs. Then second entry, debenture application and allotment account we will reverse and debit to close it with full amount of 95 lakhs. And because the debentures are issued at discount, discount is our loss. Debit all expenses and losses. So discount on issue of debentures account debit with the discount amount. Okay, that is 1 lakh debentures into 5 rupees is discount 5%. So amount will be 5 lakhs. Okay, then we'll leave one line in between because we don't need to leave a line in between because we are going to redeem at par. Yes. Redeem at par means no need to leave a line in between. It will have no effect. Okay. So straight away we'll transfer the amount to 11% debentures account. To 11% debentures account. Full amount face value will be transferred. That is 1 lakh into 100, 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore. I hope everyone is clear with this. And here again discount is to be written off. Discount is 5 lakhs and we have security premium available only 25,000. So remaining 4,75,000 we will write off from profit and loss account. So one more third entry will come. Security premium account debit with 25,000. Profit and loss account debit with remaining amount of 4,75,000. And 2, discount on issue of debentures account with 5 lakhs. Okay, so 3 entries will come over here again because writing off is there. This option is also completed. Now we go with the 6th option. Last question. Now if you refer to the question, then company issued 50,000 13% debentures at a discount of 5%. Again issued at discount. So first 2 entries as we did just now in the previous question will remain same. However, they are redeemable also at 10% premium. So now in the second entry, further we will leave one line in between. Okay, let's pass the first entry. Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit, and temporarily will transfer the money to debenture application and allotment account. And we are going to receive 50,000 debentures into 95. Okay, because 5% discount, and now 50,000 debentures are issued. So what we are going to receive is 95 rupees. Now 50,000 into 95, that is, yes, 50,000 into 95, that is 50,000 into 100 is 50 lakhs. So 2,50,000 less, 47,50,000 is what we are going to receive. And second entry, debenture application and allotment account debit. To close the account, we will reverse and debit it with full amount 47,50,000. Okay, this amount will remain same. To debit it, close it. Now further, debentures are issued at discount. So we will debit discount on issue of debentures account, and that will be with what amount? 50,000 debentures are issued into 5%. So 5 rupees is discount. So 2,50,000. Now debentures are going to be redeemed at premium. So leave one line in between and then you'll credit to 13% debentures account. Here the rate of interest is 13%. So to 13% debentures account with face value. So 50,000 into 5 into 10, that is into 100, that is 5 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Okay, so this entry 47,50,000, 2,50,000 and 50,000 will tally. Now because they are going to be redeemed at premium, will combine in between loss on issue of debentures account debit, and at the end to premium on redemption account. Now this will be done with what amount? See, they are going to be redeemed at how much premium? If you refer to the entry question, they are going to be redeemed at 10% premium. So 10 rupees is our extra premium and loss. So this amount will be recorded with 50,000 into 10 rupees, that is 5 lakhs. Okay, so loss and premium both will be 5 lakhs. Now writing off. Now what we have to do? We have to write off both of them. We have to write off discount also 2,50,000, loss also 5 lakh. Total 7,50,000 we have to write off, and security premium account available is only 25,000. So first security premium account debit with rupees 25,000. Now remaining out of 7,50,000, if you subtract 25,000, then remaining 7,25,000 will take from profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debit with 7,25,000, and then to loss to first discount on issue of debentures account, that we write off with 5 lakhs, sorry, discount with 2,50,000, and to loss on issue of debentures account with 5 lakhs. So this 2,50,000 also gets closed, and this 5 lakh also gets closed. I hope everyone is clear with this. Okay, so in this particular session, we have covered with issue of debentures and redemption at par or premium, effect on issue of debentures, and covered its question also, which is expected for around 10 marks in your exams. Now in the next session, I'll be covering with the concept and entries of sinking fund account, and then we'll take up with its question, which may be probably asked for 15 marks. Okay, that'll be all for today. Bye everyone. Wishing you all the best for your exams. Do your best. Bye.